Ever wondered about the beauty and diversity of the North Cascades National Park? Nestled less than 3 hours from Seattle, this national park is a sanctuary of remarkable contrasts. From moisture-laden western slopes to fire-prone eastern landscapes, the North Cascades are a testament to nature's adaptability. From jagged peaks cradle over 300 glaciers, while cascading waters serenade forested valleys. This park is not just a visual spectacle, it's an audible symphony of the wild. But it's not all just about the beauty. North Cascades National Park is a sensitive barometer to climate change, a living lab for researchers, and a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether it's camping under a starlit sky, boating on pristine waters, or hiking through stunning mountain scenery, there's an adventure waiting for everyone. So, are you ready to explore the diverse alpine landscape of the North Cascades? Stay tuned as we delve into the rich history of this magnificent park. How did the North Cascades come to be the park we know today? Well, to answer that, we need to journey back in time, to when the first settlers of the region arrived. The North Cascades was originally home to Native American tribes, including the Scagits and Lackapamook, who thrived in the rugged terrain and made the most of the area's rich natural resources. However, the arrival of the Europeans brought a shift in the landscape. The first white explorer to venture into this area was Alexander Ross, who established Fort Okanogan in 1811. This marked the beginning of a new era, as more and more settlers began to explore and inhabit the region. Yet, it was in the 1920s that the North Cascades witnessed a significant transformation. Dams were built along its waterways to harness hydroelectric power. This development brought a surge of modernity to the wilderness, changing the face of the park and impacting its biodiversity. But with progress, came the realization of the need to preserve the untouched beauty of the North Cascades. A campaign started to protect the wilderness from further industrial encroachment. This movement gained momentum and ultimately led to the establishment of the North Cascades National Park. Since then, the park has been a sanctuary, protecting the rugged mountain peaks, glaciers, waterways, and diverse forests that once captivated the Native American tribes and early settlers. It's a testament to the balance between progress and preservation, embodying the spirit of coexistence between humans and nature. This history is what makes the North Cascades more than a park. It's a reminder of our past, a symbol of our present, and a custodian of our future. It's a place where we can witness the power of nature and the impact of human intervention, where we can learn from the lessons of history and strive to create a more sustainable future. Now, having journeyed through time, let's explore the park as it stands today. The North Cascades National Park of the present is a wonderland of biodiversity. As we delve into the heart of the park today, it's impossible not to marvel at the stunning alpine landscape that unfolds before us. This is a park that's alive, bursting with diverse communities of life, each uniquely adapted to the different environmental conditions that the park presents. In the west, where moisture is more abundant, lush green forests reach for the sky, their leaves whispering secrets of the ages to anyone who cares to listen. Here, you'll find a myriad of creatures, each playing their part in this grand symphony of life. From the smallest insects to the majestic deer, each being has a role, a purpose in this vibrant ecosystem. Venture further east, and the landscape changes dramatically. Here, recurring fires have shaped a different kind of wilderness. It's a testament to the resilience of nature, to its ability to adapt, evolve, and thrive even in the face of adversity. And then there are the park's iconic rugged mountain peaks, home to over 300 glaciers. These icy monoliths stand as silent sentinels, watching over the park, their icy surfaces reflecting the ever-changing moods of the sky. But it's not just about the towering peaks and expansive forests. The North Cascades National Park is a complex tapestry of ecosystems, interwoven with waterways that ripple and roar through the landscape. These rivers and streams breathe life into the park, nurturing the land and its inhabitants. The park's biodiversity is its strength and its beauty. This is a place where life thrives in all its myriad forms, from the tiniest of insects to the towering trees that have stood watch over the park for centuries. Each creature, each plant, each stone is a testament to the incredible diversity of life that this park supports. And yet, the North Cascades National Park is not just a place of natural beauty. It's a hub for research, a place where scientists come to study climate change and its effects on this delicate ecosystem. The knowledge gleaned from these studies is invaluable, helping us to better understand our world and how to protect it. But what does it mean to visit the North Cascades today? Imagine yourself standing amidst the jagged peaks of the North Cascades. You're surrounded by an alpine landscape that's as diverse as it is breathtaking. Over 300 glaciers crown the peaks, standing as testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. Each one is a majestic sculpture, shaped by time and the forces of the climate. As you explore, the sound of cascading waters echoes through the forested valleys. It's a symphony of nature, punctuated by the calls of wildlife and the rustle of leaves overhead. It's a place where you can truly connect with the natural world, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The North Cascades aren't just about sightseeing though, they're an adventurer's paradise, offering miles of trails that wind through stunning mountain scenery. Each hike is a journey in itself, taking you through lush forests, across crystal-clear streams, and up to breathtaking viewpoints. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just starting out, there's a trail here that's perfect for you. And when the day is done, you can settle down for the night at one of the park's camping spots. Nestled within the park complex, these sites offer a chance to sleep under the stars and wake up to the sounds of nature. Just remember, backcountry permits are required year-round, so plan ahead. But the North Cascades isn't just a place to visit. It's a place to respect and protect. From the West's moisture-laden environments to the fire-prone East, each community of life here has adapted to its unique conditions. They found a way to thrive amidst the challenges, just like the park's first Native American settlers and the fur trappers who came after them. Let's not forget, though, that this breathtaking park is also a sensitive environment. It's a place that's shaped by climate and weather where every action has an impact. So as you explore, remember to tread lightly, leaving only footprints and taking only memories. The beauty of the North Cascades is delicate and needs our protection. As with many natural wonders worldwide, the North Cascades National Park is not immune to the impacts of climate change. Changes in temperature, weather patterns, and the frequency of wildfires can significantly alter the park's delicate balance of ecosystems. These shifts can affect everything from the majestic glaciers that dot the landscape to the diverse communities of life that call the park home. The park has become a hub for climate change research, with scientists conducting ongoing studies to track and understand the effects of these environmental changes. This research is vital in informing strategies to protect and preserve the park's unique biodiversity. But it's not just up to the scientists. Every visitor to the North Cascades has a role to play in its protection. Responsible visitation is key. When exploring the park, it's crucial to remember that we are guests in this incredible landscape. That means following the park's safety tips and guidelines, from proper camping practices to respecting wildlife and their habitats. And remember, even the smallest actions can have a big impact. Picking up litter, staying on designated trails, and practicing leave no trace principles can all help to minimize our footprint and ensure the park remains a thriving, vibrant wilderness. The North Cascades are not just a testament to the power and beauty of nature, they're also a reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve these landscapes. By being mindful visitors and advocates for our environment, we can all play a part in safeguarding this remarkable place. In protecting the North Cascades, we ensure its beauty endures for generations to come. The North Cascades National Park truly is a gem of nature's creation. A testament to time's grandeur, the park's history is as rich and varied as its landscape. From its early Native American settlers and fur trappers to the dams of the 1920s, each chapter of its past contributes to the grandeur we see today. The park's present state is a testament to its resilience. Despite the challenges of changing climate and human impact, it stands as a beacon of biodiversity. Its diverse environmental conditions foster unique communities of life, from the moisture-loving species in the west to the fire-adapted ones in the east. The experiences offered by the park are as diverse as its inhabitants. Whether it's hiking through the jagged peaks, listening to the cascading waters, or camping under the starlit sky, there's an adventure for everyone. And let's not forget the importance of protecting this natural wonder so that it continues to inspire and provide refuge for generations to come. Next time you find yourself wondering about the beauty and diversity of nature, remember the North Cascades National Park awaits your exploration.